VPN ensures a secure connection by encrypting all data transmitted between your computer and the university network. It makes your connection appear to be the same as if you were connecting on campus. To download the Cisco Anyconnect app, you'll need to go to the website https://vpn.uofguelph.ca if you are off campus, or https://vpn2.uofguelph.ca if you are on campus. You can choose either split or full tunnel access from the drop-down menu and then log into the web page with your central login ID and password. Click Continue and then Download for Windows. This will download an executable file, so once that's done downloading, you can click it to begin the installation. After it's downloaded, click Finish, and now you're ready to connect. Now that you're ready to connect, search for the Cisco Anyconnect app and open it. It should be pre-populated with the off or on-campus VPN selections in the drop-down menu. If the drop-down menu is empty, you can manually enter either vpn2.uofguelph.ca for on-campus access or vpn.uofguelph.ca for access off-campus. You will then be prompted to log in with your central login ID and password to connect to the VPN. You can connect to the VPN through either split or full tunnel access. Split tunnel is the default setting when connecting. This configuration allows you to use VPN to connect securely to specific U of G systems, while access to non-U of G systems continues to be sent directly via your home internet service provider. Full tunnel access allows you to direct all your online activities through VPN for a fully secure and encrypted connection. Only use this when you are connecting from another country that may restrict access to online services, to provide secure connection when using public Wi-Fi, and when accessing cloud services that require an official university IP address. Note: full tunnel may be slower than split tunnel. After you accept the connection, the Cisco box in the bottom corner will let you know that you are connected. While your VPN connection can last up to 48 hours, we recommend disconnecting from your session when you no longer need it. To disconnect from the VPN, reopen the Cisco Anyconnect Mobility Client window and click that big disconnect button. You're now disconnected. You've now mastered the art of connecting to the VPN. Congrats.